Yes, we live.
有人吗？
No one.
当有人就在那个。
It's okay.
等一下，这段时间我先。
讲英文.
I'm gonna do.
Oh, hey, Darren. Oh, we got people. We got people here.
How many?
We got 20 right now.
I'll start doing things when it's around 30.
30? It's 30 right now.
No way.
26, 27.
On Instagram?
Yeah,
Okay, fine. I'll
28. What's up, guys?
So, have you guys seen our meeting room? It's pretty cool. You guys probably never seen this before, but we actually have lights installed.
Come on, Darren. That's not.
In a meeting, you could feel as if you're in a club. But that's not the main point today. There's other things I actually want to tell you guys about. But before we start, let's get a beer. It's Friday. And you guys don't know, and you guys haven't visited NewBeeDrone's office, we actually have a keg. And if you guys don't know about the April Fool's joke from 2 years ago about NewBeeDrone, this is NewBeeDrone in its actual form in the office. So you could see that it is the logo and it says NewBeeDrone. So
Hold on. You want to show the cack inside?
I mean,
So what kind of beer is that?
it's a hazy IPA. We try to be a little bit fancy. You know, we don't want to drink some of those cheap stuff. That's not us. You know, we make quality stuff because we drink quality stuff. Remember that. All right.
All right, let's see. Does he know how to pour beer?
Bruh.
All right, let's go to the. So what are you doing today?
Cheers. I have some stuff I gotta tell you guys about. First of all, I just made a post telling all of you guys that from now on, all the cockroach frames will have an unlimited warranty. So no matter where you bought it from, it could be from NewBeeDrone, it could be from GetFPV, or it could be from some other vendors in Europe or even Japan. It doesn't matter. If you break it, you gotta just fill out a form. The form is gonna ask you about some information like where which vendor you bought it from, and just provide a screenshot of the order and send us photos of the frame breaking, and then we'll give you a code, and that code you can use it to purchase a free replacement of the frame. So this way, whenever you break a frame, you can always get a replacement from here, unlimited from here. So remember that, and I think it will help you guys a lot, in practicing, and also, you guys will have much more fun using our stuff because we got your back. But you gotta use the code for your next order though. But it doesn't really matter what order. You could order something that's
Like a propeller?
Yeah, a propeller, 99 cents. Doesn't matter. We'll throw it in. So that's really all there is. So yeah, let's move on to the warehouse, and I'm gonna talk to you about other stuff. It's been a while since we finally have everything ready. So that's our own products. We actually have the 300 Natural Nectar 300 mods
Back in stock.
Back in stock. So they're not that, these guys are not that lonely anymore. The 250 brothers are kind of sad. Now the 300s are back, so, they're not as sad anymore. I'm not sure if you guys checked out the GMB 27s, the 1S and the 2S. They're pretty fire. And they work well with a lot of the 1S and 2S BNFs that we came out lately. And I'm not sure if you guys are aware, but we now have a very, very complete set of all the BLV3 BNFs. So that includes the 65 BNFs, the 75 BNFs, the Mosquito BNFs.
You want to show it?
Savage B BNFs. And they're all in BLV3. I mean, you're probably not gonna, they're all in packaging, so you can't really see anything. But look at this glorious inventory. Everything is here. This is the 65. This is the Savage B. Ooh, Savage B. This is the 75. I think that's 1S. And there's the 75 2S and the Mosquito. Yeah, they're all ready to go. And if you're not interested in these kind of small stuff, that's cool because we're also doing cinematography now. So there's yeah, I know the cinema is a really really good hit. People really like the cinemas, and I know some people don't have the time to build it, or they're just really really lazy. And that's fine.
No, don't call people lazy.
Okay, you guys just prefer to spend your time more wisely on other stuff. We now have the BNFs for you guys, which is, very simple for you. You guys don't have to do anything anymore. But don't remember, if you also need it, Invisa360 BNFs also in stock. I know it wasn't in stock for a while, but they're also in stock now. So, yeah, for all the cinematographers, we have these here and ready for you. And that's basically it for me. But I know that there's another product that you guys have been waiting for a really, really long time. And, I think today is the day that we should talk more about it because we actually have them arrived here in the warehouse. And now I'm going to direct their attention all the way to this place because we're going to talk about the actual product now.
All right, my turn. My turn. So, hey everyone. Ow! That's the Infinity All-in-One V2. So, I'm going to open this, and also we will have a giveaway. And Darren, you already shared the post, right?
The post is on Instagram already, and then there's going to be a giveaway for you guys. So you guys can check out the post. It's pretty simple. Just make sure that you guys subscribe to our account and share that post with 3 of your friends. And then on Monday, we're going to choose a winner to win this stack.
Okay, so I'm going to talk about the differences between the V2 and then the V1. The V2, basically, we're getting all the informations that people request, a lot of different feature like support analog, OSD chips, and also more UART ports. We all make it happen in one plug. So in here, I'm not sure if you can see it. So in here, we have a JST 0.8 16 pin in here, a plug. And it comes with all the feature, all other feature you will need just into one plug. And then we will provide the cable for the DJI unit. We just provide one lane right now, and I believe it's 100 millimeter. And then for the 16 pin JST 0.8 cable, we provide 2 sets. So if you use one and then you break it, you have another one. And if you break another one, you need another new one. We will sell it separately on our site, so you can also get them. And other than that, the other accessory is pretty similar: screw hardware and also cap, and then power cable. And I think we should talk about something about the all-in-one versus the stack, right, Darren?
We should. I mean,
Yeah.
not only is the all-in-one just so much cooler, but there's also a reason why we also think this could be a much better solution than the original stacks.
Yeah, so for the V1, basically we're getting a lot of data from our customer service part, and it's actually less problem compared to stack products. The all-in-one, because everything is sealed inside. Every component is sealed inside, and then the V2 we do it even better compared to the V1. We get the mechanical part perfectly fit in together, and then any gap that between the board, the components to the heatsink, we have the thermal glue to fill up the gap. So it's basically, I think it's almost like waterproof. But I wouldn't call it waterproof, I would call it weatherproof. So if you build a quad and then you want it to be flying in some like raining situations, or like with water or like dust or anything, then you can totally feel safe to use these products, because there is no such exposure for the electrical components. So there's nothing. You can see it's two-side aluminum heatsink, and it's sealed everything inside. What I can recommend is after you solder the motor pad and then the power lead, apply some conformal coating to up the solder. If you have any flux, make sure you use alcohol to clean it up, because flux will conduct. Flux is actually conductive, and then we have some experience that we soldered the power lead and we used too much flux and we didn't clean it up, and it causing the shot, and then it like later on it turned on like charcoal, and then it become conductive, and then fire the whole board. So yeah, it's here right now, and then the product page is open right now, huh, Darren?
Yeah, it's ready for purchasing, and yeah, you guys can do it now. The cockroach frame warranty is also live now. But either way, even if you don't order it, it's fine, because we are doing a giveaway. You can see if you can win it before you decide to purchase. But we also have a limited amount, so you kind of balance between the risk of actually winning something,
Yeah.
or actually you should just get it now, so it doesn't run out.
So this one will be a giveaway.
Yeah, we're gonna give
We'll
this
give
one.
away this one.
Yeah,
So I'm going to put everything back to the box.
yeah, so go on Instagram, go on Facebook, check it out. It tells you what to do. It's really easy. Just subscribe and then just share. And Monday we'll pick a winner out. And is that it? That's it, right? All right.
Is there any other things you want to share?
There's nothing, so probably gonna see you guys
So
next
yeah,
time.
we're going to start doing media. Basically, we're going to do more video in the future, and then stay tuned.
Yeah, probably 'cause it's gonna be short and sweet, just like this.